Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami duck.
I told you we are not landing.
Are you sure no one's watching?
When, Mallard? Do it!
Okay.
So what you want to do first is fold and unfold both diagonals. Now fold the bottom edges in to meet the center line. Fold in the top edges to meet the center line. Now flip it over and fold the model in half from right to left. And then fold the bottom corner up and to the left. And then unfold. Inside reverse fold along the crease just made to form the ducktail. Now fold the top corner down and to the left. Unfold, and then same with the tail, inside reverse fold the crease you just made. The top corner of the tail down and to the left. And unfold. And now, by using the creases, push down and fold it again. And yes, I know I just called this a tail, but that's what popped up into my mind. And now gently open the wings of the duck so the duck can stand on its own. There was no need for that last step, you can just stand on its own like that. And there you have your own origami duck. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.